Here I've got Kruger Matz Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts. Now locate the contact that you would like to change profile picture to, so in my case it's Andy, and then click on edit icon. Here click on the camera tab, and now you can either take a photo or choose one from your gallery, and this is what I will pick. Choose photo. And let me pick this one. Now personalize it and then click on save. And this is it. As you can see now, this picture is assigned to your contact. Click on save to upload the changes, and when Andy will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture. So that would be all. This is how you can add profile picture to a contact in your device in your Kruger Matz Flow 6 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.